Hey team, we're your head students for 2022. I'm Max, your head boy. Would quickly like to tell you a few things happening around the school and where to sign up for new opportunities.
Hi, I'm Riley. We've got a few events coming up in the next few weeks. First is Octathlon Day on the 23rd of Feb. Remember to dress up in your house colours and participate in everything you can. The crazier the outfit, the better. Next up is Athletics Day on the 2nd of March. This is a bit more serious, we compete against each other, and there's tons of school records that are ready to be broken. Lastly, the Year 9 camps are coming up soon, where each film class is going to go away with their form teacher and their peer support leaders. We're super excited to see you all. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ella. One of the places to hear about upcoming events is your online school notices. These should be read out daily by your form teacher. There's also the notice board. This is where you find out about new teams and upcoming cast crews.
And I'm CJ, your deputy head boy. Octathlon Day is coming up, so don't forget to dress up in your house colours. The crazier the better. Athletics Day is more serious, so make sure you be there at the right place at the right time. And don't forget Year 9 camps. Go and enjoy them. Till next time, ka kite ana.